Hi, today I'll show you how an app called PC WinBooster Free works. PC WinBooster Free is an efficient app that can tidy up your system, allowing it to breathe and eliminating the impact of junk data and temporary files. It is suitable for use on any PC to keep it in shape by removing obsolete data that usually slows it down or affects its performance. Furthermore, it can be operated by any user, regardless of their level of computer knowledge. PC WinBooster Free takes care of all the areas that risk cluttering your PC, namely temporary internet files, empty folders, junk data, broken shortcuts, recycle bin, and browser toolbars. You can make a selection of the sections of the system that you think need cleaning, although it is advisable to do the operation for all of them, at least once. Furthermore, another almost mandatory precaution is a backup of the registry, to have as a recovery solution if something goes wrong. The app quickly scans the common areas of the PC and provides a complete report of the errors identified during it. Additionally, you have the option to manually select files to delete during the fix phase. There's no harm in running the utilities twice, to make sure nothing toxic resides in your system anymore. In addition to the cleaner module, you will also benefit from an uninstaller that serves to remove apps installed on your PC, as well as a duplicate file finder that quickly locates duplicate content and deletes it for the purpose of reclaiming space. PC WinBooster Free allows you to quickly clean up your PC, while also providing tools to uninstall applications and eliminate duplicate files that are taking up storage space. Overall, PC WinBooster Free comes across as an intuitive and easy to use PC optimizer. See you next video, and now some music.